So welcome to another Outfits of the Week. This is a holiday edition, I suppose. I was going away for a few days, so I thought I'd bring you along and show you the kind of stuff I was wearing when I was away in the sun. If this is your first time on one of my videos, thanks for watching. So I make these Outfit of the Week videos every week, and then I also do my studio vlogs of running a small business. Yeah, so if you're interested in slow and sustainable fashion, I would love you to subscribe. It would be great to have you here. I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the summer, so any help would be much appreciated. I thought I'd include a photo of the bag that I brought with me. This is a bag I thrifted a few months ago. I think it's originally by Tusca Blue is the brand. And I just added a scarf and it was perfect for a little holiday trip away. So the first day I arrived, I was just wearing quite a casual outfit. I had on that shirt from Zara that I wear all the time. My little top is from Free People, and my biker shorts are Topshop, I think, and the same with the loafers. So just really casual and easy. And I went to do a little bit of thrifting, which is what I love to do when I'm away in a new city. Then later on that day, I changed into some shorts that I thrifted maybe at the start of the year. But they're really casual, really easy to wear. And yeah, everything else is the same outfit. Oh, I added the pink cap as well. And we just headed out again, went on a nice walk, and just like a nice casual outfit to wear. I really like the look of loafers with socks, but after walking around for a few days in these loafers, they were super hard. Maybe I just needed an insole in them, but yeah, I liked how it looked. And then the next day I decided to wear one of my skirts, and this was from a collection I made at the start of the year, and I kept this one for myself. And I just paired it with my Ganni sandals that I got in the sale last year. And I love them so much. They're really good for just keeping cool in the summer, but also like I've walked so much in them and they've been fine. And then I paired it also with this sequin top that is originally Zara, but I thrifted it. I can't remember when. But yeah, I really like it. It's super simple and easy for holidays. And we went to Lyon for the day in France, which is one of my favourite cities to visit. It has so many good vintage shops. Yeah, so I thought I'd bring you along and show you some of the shops that I went into. So the first shop I went into was Elephant Vintage Store. They have a really good selection of jeans and lots of different sunglasses, as you can see, and just really beautiful pieces. The shop is really well created. And then we headed over to Bloom Vintage. This is another one I really like. Again, a really good selection of coats and jackets. It was a bit different this time of year, so I've been here before in winter, but yeah, there's a lot more summer stuff. But I love the upstairs part because there's always really good bargains upstairs. So I had a good look around there. And then we headed to Very Freep, which I don't think I've been in before. I loved the inside of the shop. It was so cool. Look at the checkerboard floor and all the shoes. It was really, really amazing. Very much like on trend vintage, I would say. But the prices were still really reasonable. And yeah, I would definitely recommend a visit to this shop. Then we found this gorgeous backdrop with all these flowers, which I thought was so sweet. So we took a photo here. Again, I brought out this thrifted bag. This is basically the bag I had for the whole holiday. And you can see just all my like phone charms and all my charms hanging off it. I added like one of those like carabiners to keep my cap on the side. My neck scarf as well on the other side. And then we headed over to the Kilo shop, which sometimes I find amazing things. I've been here before and found like some of my favourite blouses that I wear all the time in here. But yeah, we had a good look around. I really liked these bum bags that they had. Yeah, they were kind of like a metallic fabric. I thought they were really cool. I didn't get one, but I really liked all the different colours that they had. Then we went to another one, which I actually can't remember the name of, but I will do my best to leave a link below maybe. And upstairs there was like a room of just like €5 stuff, so I tried on a good few bits. Looking back now, I kind of wish I got this jumper. It's like this kind of polo neck wool jumper, but I kind of thought I mightn't have room in my suitcase, so I didn't get it. It kind of made me think maybe I need some more kind of more fitted jumpers in my wardrobe. Then I tried on this kind of sequin dress top, which I decided to get because I thought, well, it's sequins and it's sparkly and it's like beaded sequin, so yeah, I needed that. And then I tried on this tall skirt, which I didn't end up getting. Also, I didn't end up getting that lovely leopard or tiger print bag because I just wasn't sure if I would use the shape of it, but the fabric itself was so cool. So then we headed over to Freep Machine, which was a gorgeous shop. It was so lovely inside, just really light and kind of quite welcoming. It was lovely, and I really liked this kind of silky pastel bomber. I thought it was so cool. And then the prices were done by like the color coded, so there are the prices there. I have one more shop to show you that I went into, which is kind of along the river, and it's called Look Vintage, and I love this shop as well, and it's really reasonably priced. Definitely recommend coming and having a look. I love the layout of it. And they had like a bargain basket down the end of stuff for €5, I think it was. So I tried on a few pieces. I really liked this polka dot kind of satin dress, but it did not sit on me well at all. But the other floral piece are like these long shorts with this floral print, so I did pick them up. And then I also picked up these Lurex socks. I can't remember the name of the shop, but it's kind of like tiger, so I think they're only like €2 or something each, and I can never say no to sparkly socks. The next day I went for a really casual outfit again, the same shorts that I had on the other day, and then the shirt, I think I showed you in a previous Outfits of the Week. I thrifted this a while back, and I really keep it quite simple when I'm away, just because I know I'm going to be warm, but I also want to be covered. So a light shirt and kind of light shorts and stuff is my go-to outfit. This is the day where we did lots of walking, and I really destroyed my feet in these loafers. They looked really cute, but after probably around 20,000 steps, my feet were in bits, so I don't think I wore them again for the rest of the trip. And then we stopped by this unreal shop. It's just so well put together. It's amazing. Lots of denim, lots of old Levi's, and just the layout of the shop, that table, like amazing. And I'll leave the name of the shop as well. Here's my outfit again. So yeah, just super casual, oversized shirt, and then the bag that I kind of wore for the whole trip, which I wear crossbody quite a bit, and then I have my cap attached just in case I want to add my cap. So the next day I had on a really light shirt. This is just like a pink blouse, and these shorts that I tried to style to make them work. I like turned up the waist. Still not sure exactly how to wear them, but I kind of wanted to try out that trend of that kind of longer short. And we went to Montreux for the day, which is in Switzerland. It was just so picturesque there. It was unreal. Oh, my glasses are ASOS as well. Yeah, this isn't a postcard. This is like actually how it looked. It was crazy. But yeah, another just a casual outfit. Just again for a day of walking and having a look around. Here's some more photos of how stunning it was kind of up in the mountains. And I came across this art exhibition which was totally kind of the type of thing I love, and that's the name of the artist there. It was like an artist in resident, I think. So yeah, really lucky that I came across this exhibition by chance. And then this is the last day of the trip. So I had on this shirt that I thrifted in Geneva last summer, I think. I absolutely love the collar on it. It's amazing, and I wear it open quite a bit because it's a bit too tight to have closed, but I love how it looks open, and I just have it on with those shorts again, and the Gani sandals. Yeah, so that is going to go ahead and finish up my holiday trip. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy these kind of videos, I do one of these every week, and I also do my studio vlogs because I run a small fashion business. So I usually have 2 vlogs a week if I'm organized, and it's all kind of about slow and sustainable fashion. So it'd be great if you could subscribe if you would be interested. Yeah, but thanks for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.